you're welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your video. All right, how to blur the background of the video from this to this. So as you can see, it's very simple. As you can see, it's cool, right? All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this using your smartphone, and we're going to be using CapCut in this tutorial. Don't forget to stick to the end of this video. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, please do what to subscribe, like this video, and drop me a comment. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. All right, quickly let's head over to CapCut. I believe I've made this kind of video on my channel, but that was a very long time. So some students have been asking me for this video, so let me just quickly make a new video so that you will understand this better. Just head over to CapCut. So once you get to CapCut, just go over to new project and add your video. Now we have our video here. It is very simple. All right, it is what? Very simple. Now this is what you're going to do. If you want to blur the background of all of your video, just select the video and duplicate it. But if you want to blur some certain parts, just split it and blur that part. All right, so I'm going to silence this video. Good. So from here, I'm going to split from here to here. Let's assume I want to just blur this middle, right? I want to blur just here. So all you are going to do is to just select the middle and go over to duplicate. Can you see duplicate? This is it. Select duplicate. So once you duplicate it, it means it has been duplicated into two. Just select overlay. So you are going to bring it to overlay. Select overlay. So once you select overlay, now drag it under that duplicate. All right, drag it under that duplicate. It means you're having two the same video. We have one at the overlay, we also have this one. Good. Now the next thing you're going to do is to select the one at the overlay and go over to remove BG and select auto remover. So let's wait for the background to be removed. Good, the background has been removed. So once you remove the background, the next thing you're going to do is to select this main video, not the one at the overlay. Please select this one. This is the one we remove the background. We remove the background of the one that is at the overlay. So you select the main video and go over to effect, go over to video effect and search for blur. Just search for blur. So you're going to see many options here, but select this first one. The first one, you'll be able to adjust the intensity. Now tap on this, the blur again. You're going to see adjust. From here you can adjust the intensity of the blurriness. Can you see? Just select cancel and mark it. Automatically you blur the background, so you're going to have your final result like this. Can you see? So this is how to blur the background of your video using your CapCut. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do what to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Once you're done, just export your video. You are good to go. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next tutorial.